Commonly used cooking verbs. Chop. Chop means काटना, like chopping the vegetables. Dice. Dice means square shape में काटना, like we are dicing the carrot. Slice, पतले slice में काटना. We are slicing the tomato. Spread means फैलाना. I'm spreading the butter. Fry. Fry means तलना. I am frying the pakoras. Melt means पिघलाना. Melting of butter. Peel means chilna. I am peeling the potato. Grate. Grate means घिसना. I am grating the cucumber. Roll out. Roll out means बेलना. I am rolling the bread. Knead. Knead means गूंदना. I am kneading the dough. Mix. Mix means मिलाना. I am mixing the water. Weigh. Weigh means तोलना. Add means मिलाना. I am adding the salt. Whip. Whip means फेंटना. I am whipping the cream. Pour means डालना. I am pouring the water.